Alright, tech tip. If your door makes this noise, listen carefully. Sounds like a haunted house. Get yourself a can of this stuff called white lithium grease. It's supposed to have like better staying power than WD-40. And you blast right on the hinge, and supposedly the squeak will go away. Alright, now we're going to work the grease into the door hinge. As you can hear, no squeak. You got rid of that haunted house noise from your car. Again, today's tech tip: proper lubrication. It's always a maintenance interval thing, like preferably every oil change. You should have it done. As you can see, you just aim for where the door hinge is, spray it down good, and boom, squeak is gone. Mm-hmm.